Big hello from Vintage RV Adventures. Hope you're all doing well. Well, we're just about to settle down to our Christmas dinner. Hope you're enjoying your day. Just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone, really. We've just got over 300 subscribers now. I think it's 302 at the last look.
Brilliant.
Yeah, it's really
Very
good.
good.
We couldn't have expected this. Absolutely amazing, guys. Really appreciate the support.
Oh, yeah.
On the channel. It only seems like 5 minutes since we started this project, but anyway, thank you very much. Hope you're all enjoying yourselves, and we've got lots more content for you next year, so stick around with us, please. All right, and we'll leave it there. Thanks very much, guys.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Take care. Hello from hello.
That's one for the bloopers. Vintage RV Adventures.
Bless him. Right, ready?
Big hello from Vintage RV Adventures. Hope you're all having a really good Christmas. I know we are. We're just about to settle down to our Christmas dinner. Start again.